Hey y'all, Chad here with Rezio. I wanted to quickly go through here today with you how to add a customer account to a project. So in order to get started with this, we're going to go to the project itself, go into the project details page, and then come over to the Access tab. And within that Access tab, you'll have the ability to add a single customer account. Now these customer accounts can be added by using this search bar or completely adding a new customer. The search bar will start to automatically filter based on the text that you type, whereas the plus button will actually come in here and let you create a whole new customer account. You can learn more about creating a whole new customer in its relative help document that'll be linked in this knowledge base page. But essentially, you'll have a name or a household, and then you'll be able to add contacts to that household. So once again, in order to add the customer account, we'll search for it or create a new one. And then we'll go ahead and add that customer to the project. And once this customer is added to the project, they're going to naturally be added without access. So that household does not have access yet until we come in here and actually click the plus button and save and invite them. At that point in time, the save and invite would give them access to the job, and we would actually see that change to say contacts with access. So hope this helps. Let us know if there's any questions.